Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about castle crown nut. Left side you can see the component and right side this is the cross section. So this is the component I am going to create. See, this is the thread feature. So let's start now. So I've taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the front plane, go to sketch, draw polygon with 6 sides, that is hexagon. And make this edge vertical. Now assign the dimension between these two lines. So this is 30 mm. Go to feature, select extrude and select mid plane so that it is symmetric, and depth is 16 mm. Select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle, so this is 28. Select extrude boss, select the blind value, and this is 6 mm. Now select the right plane, go to sketch, keep it in wireframe, and draw one vertical line. And select these two edges and select convert entities, move little bit inside. Now draw one line connecting these 2 points. So this is 2 mm and the angle between these 2 lines is 60. So select the mirror entities, select these lines and mirror about this center line. So we have to remove the material, so we have to use a revolve cut. So draw one horizontal line, go to feature, revolve cut. So select this line. See here, I'll keep it in shaded form. So this material is going to remove. Say OK. See here. Now select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle. So this is 20 mm. Go to feature, select extruded cut, select through all and say OK. See here. Now go to thread feature, select this edge. See here we can see this material is not going to remove. So since it is starting from this point, so to avoid such problem we have to select offset. See, I have taken 2 mm, so it is going inside. We have to select the other side. See here, it is going to remove the material completely. Now see, the blind value should be more than this length of this bolt. So we can take 30 mm, and here metric tab we need to select this, and size, since it is having the dia of 20 mm, we have to select M20 into 1.5. See here, and we have to select the cut extrude and say OK. See here. So after creating the thread feature, we have to create one extruded cut. Select the face, go to sketch, draw one rectangle, select one center line, join these 2 points, and then select this line and make it horizontal. Now assign dimension to this, that is 4.8, and you can assign any value. This is 12 and this is 8. So the sketch is fully constrained now. See here. Now go to feature, select extruded cut. Here we need to select up to surface, so we have to select this face. See here. So it is going to create cut at this location and say OK. See here. Now we have to apply the fillet. Select the fillet command. See, the fillet is 0.5. So this is the 0.5 mm radius. Select these 2 sides and say OK. See here. Now we have to select this. See here, we can see the temporary axis. See here, we can see this temporary axis. We can show and hide. So we have to select that, and we have to create a circular pattern. So select the circular pattern, and direction 1 we have to select this axis. See, for features and faces we need to select this cut extrude and fillet. See here, and instances we have to select 3. So equal space and say OK. Say this is the feature. I'm going to hide this axis. See here, this is the final component. I'm going to show you the cross section. Select the right plane. See here. So this is brief about Castle crown nut in Solidworks. Thanks for watching. For more videos on Solidworks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.